Hi, I'm Mike Zima, a digital marketing expert, and today I'm going to talk about content marketing. This is a really interesting topic that I've been focusing on. And when you think of content marketing, what is it? Well, first you need the content, and then you need to draw attention to it by getting people to come to your content. A lot of the time you can think of this as posting something on social media, trying to build an audience, trying to share your content with somebody. That's content marketing in a nutshell. But the thing about content marketing is it's not only about posting, but it's also about drawing attention. That's why you have to first make contextual content. You have to know where you're posting your content, where it's on LinkedIn, where it's going to be on a podcast, or different types of communication. You can see that I'm always testing and trying different things out. So it's interesting to see what works and what doesn't work. What you have to focus on if you're going to be successful in SEO is building a strong piece of pillar content. Pillar content is going to be this big piece of content, let's say about 1,000, 2,000 words, that really goes in depth on the subject around your business or your industry. You want to establish yourself as an authority, and the way you do that with SEO is you have to make a really strong piece of content because people are entering these keywords into Google and they're trying to find an answer, and your content is supposed to fill that answer, and that's the magic of SEO. And the third one is going to be, how do you market this content? You have an excellent piece of content and you're going to go out and market it and publish it, but that's not enough. As I said in the beginning, is the content has to be contextual. So you have to take this blog post and you have to start dissecting it into different pieces where you can post and publish on different platforms. That's how you extend the reach. It's not about the quantity of content. It's also about the quality and the frequency of that content being posted on other networks. If you're curious about content marketing and where you think it's going, please drop me a note. I have some very interesting thoughts where I think it's going, but I would love to hear from you.